How to fix VK app not working. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not stable, you can tap on the option of cellular data and then try application again. Now in next step, open Google Play Store or App Store. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. From here, go to search and all you would have to do is search for VK. Tap on the application on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it to update VK application. Once you update the app, all the app errors and bugs issues will also be fixed and you will be getting the latest features on the application. Now for another step, open Settings. From here, scroll down below and tap on Apps. You can directly search for VK application. Tap on it. From here, scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now at the bottom right, tap on Clear Cache. Now for the last step, make sure that you enter correct credentials in order to log in to your VK app. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.